right up here. We're just right outside this chapel, Our Lady of the Way, Our Lady of Litra. Over there is the Victoria lines. I'll explain more about it. It was built in the Queen Victoria's time. We're right up high and it's getting cold. It's really windy and cold. We're going to walk down this pathway and show you the tombs and there's all sorts of things. Let me just show it. We'll walk over here. The path doesn't look that good. It's like a bit of a bumpy path. We're going over there. Right behind me. Sorry, the ground is not very good here. Can you see them over this direction here? There's the Victoria lines here. That was a wall that was built by the British forces straight across Malta. I'll put some more information for you. It was in the Jubilee of Queen Victoria it was finished. These are the tombs we're going to visit now. Wind is picking up a bit, so let me start walking down that path. It's a little bit more sheltered. Okay, I just walked around this chapel. I want to show you these fantastic views. Look, the sea is just over my right hand shoulder there. Mgarr village and the beautiful countryside. The fort is over on this hill somewhere. I'm not sure if I can get in, but I'm going to try and get in. It's owned or it's rented by a private family, so there's a restaurant there. I don't know what's exactly happening. I'm not sure about the time either because it's looking pretty black, the clouds coming over. And see if I can get around. This is a small signpost. You'll notice when you come up the road here, it's on the left hand side. Okay, let's walk down this path. Very rough. I'm going to take little bits and pieces and cut off so because it might be a bit boring. But you can see how everything is growing now. Look how beautiful. See if we come across some wildflowers. These are a bit unusual as well. What is this? I think this is wild fennel. Maybe the fastest way down this path is to roll down because I think that's what I'm going to do in a minute. Oh, it's going a little bit steep here. But beautiful, beautiful countryside here. This is a very nice plant here. This, I don't remember the names of them. I used to have them in the garden, this one. Look how beautiful it is. I think I told you the story once. I picked up a plant over in Dingley Cliffs, living on this rock. I took it home, give it all the care and compost and a beautiful pot in the garden, and it died. They seem as if they're happy in the rough climates and the wind there. We're going down this path then. Let's cut off. I'm gonna walk a little bit more. Alright, we just got down a little bit further. We walked up from, there's the chapel up there. So it's quite a decent walk down. This is an old valley, but a little bit further on is Chadwick Lakes. One time I'll go to that. We've got a little bit of water at the moment. These are the start of the tombs here. They're all on different levels. There's on the top here as well. Some big boulders there. they got to it that way. I'm going to walk along this cliff path here, see what we come to. There's the valley down there. The next level here, this is a really big one, and I guess it would have been quite more bigger than that. It seems like a lot of the roof has fallen in. The guys that study these tombs in Malta are really unsure. Some think it's from the Bronze Age, and some think it's from the Roman Neolithic age. And there is other theories. Everybody's unsure because there's not a lot left. I'm not sure what happened to the bones, and obviously they would have put them somewhere else. This is like a... This is a doorway. Oh no, they're just leading into each other. But what I see interesting is there's doorways going into each other. I heard that they were the troglodytes used to live here as well, so they were used for tombs, Bronze Age, and then obviously these cave dwellers moved in, and they used it as their homes. We're going out into the open air, and it's going to be very windy, I think. Why is it every day I come out and we find wind? Yeah, there's a lot.